Hello, welcome back. Today's lesson is graphs of proportional relationships. So for mini lesson 1, we have to determine whether two quantities are proportional using this graph. For this example, we have to tell whether x and y are proportional. So for letter A, we have here the x values, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the y values, we have -2, 0, 2, and 4. So what we're gonna do is to plot these points on the graph. Horizontal axis are the x values, and the vertical axis are the y values. So here in the middle, the origin, which is 0, 0. And then we will plug in all the values of x. We start from 1, 2, 3, 4, since there are 4 only. And then for the y values, first one is -2. So it is on vertical axis. This is 0. So it is expected that when we go down from 0, that is -1. This is -2. And then when we go up, that is from 0, next is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next thing is plot the points of the ordered pair. So the first ordered pair is 1, -2. So x is 1, so we have here 1, and then y is -2. So from 1 to -2, if we will plot the points, so that will be right here. The second ordered pair is 2, 0. So the x is 2, which is this, and then the y is 0. So this is the y, this is the x, so plot the point here. Next ordered pair is 3 and 2. So x is 3, so right here. Y is 2, so go up right here. 1, 2, plot the point. The last ordered pair, we have 4 and 4. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then y-axis is also 4, so that will be right here. Next is connect all the points using a ruler. So we're gonna do this. So this is how the graph looks like. Now there are 2 points that you should remember in order for you to identify if the graph is proportional or not proportional. So the first one, the graph should be a straight line. And we notice here that the graph is a straight line. So this is correct. This qualifies. Number 2, the line should pass through the origin. And the origin is 0, 0. I mentioned earlier that this is the origin. Now look at the line. Does the line pass through the origin? No, it's not. That means this second point is not true because it does not pass through the origin. So since there is one here that is not true, the graph is not proportional. Remember, in order for the graph to be proportional, it should form a straight line. Next, it should pass through the origin, which is 0, 0. Now let's proceed to example letter B. The x values are 0, 2, 4, 6, and the y values are 0, 2, 4, and 6. That's the origin, and then the x values we have here 0, 2, 4, 6. Write it down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now for the y values, we have to plug into the vertical axis. So we have 0, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first ordered pair is 0, 0. So of course, this is 0, 0. Plot the points here. The second ordered pair, we have 2 and 2. So look for the x-axis. X is 2, y is 2. So plot the points here. Next ordered pair, we have 4 and 4. So x-axis, this is the 4. Y-axis, this is 4, so this is the next point. The last one is 6 and 6. So we have here 6 on the X, 6 on the Y. So let's put them together. That is 6, 6. Then connect the points using a ruler. So, now, look at the graph. First one is, it forms a straight line. If you look at the graph, yes, it is a straight line. So that's checked. Number 2, the line should pass through the origin. It is proportional because it qualifies. It has a straight line and it passed through the origin, which is this. For mini lesson 2, finding a unit rate from a graph. I want you to look at this graph. The graph shows the speed of a subway car. Find the speed in miles per minute. So if you notice, we have here 1/2 from the origin, which is 0. We have 1/2, 1, 1 and 1/2, 2 for the x-axis. And that is time in minutes. For the y-axis, we have the distance in miles. So have from 0, we have 1/2 and 1. So the first ordered pair is 1/2 and then 1/4. If you notice, the x-axis is 1/2. Since this is between 1/2 and 0 on the y-axis, therefore it is 1/4. So the first ordered pair is 1/2 and 1/4. The second ordered pair is this one. So it is plotted here. So it is 1 for the x, and then for the y is 1/2. Next, the third ordered pair, we have here, this the point, falls on 2. And then it's also falls on 1. So the third ordered pair is 2, 1. We have to find the speed in miles per minute. Two quantities, the x and the y, are proportional when y is equal to kx, where k is the constant of proportionality. And then y here is the y-axis, the y values, and x is the x values. This equation can be written also as k is equal to y to x. To find the speed in miles per minute, we have to apply the formula k is equal to y divided by x. Now let us do the first ordered pair, which is 1/2 and 1/4. So 1/2 is the x, 1/4 is the y. So applying this formula, so we have k is equal to y to x. And then y is 1/4 to the x, which is 1/2. Since fraction bars represents division, we can write this down as 1/4 divided by 1/2. Applying the reciprocal, we have 1/4 times 2 over 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Simplify. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So k is 1/2. So the constant of proportionality for the first ordered pair is 1/2. The second ordered pair, 1 is x, 1/2 is y. So k is equal to y to x. So that is 1/2 divided by 1. Any number that is divided by 1 is the same number. So this is 1/2. Third ordered pair, 2 and 1. X is 2, y is 1. So k is equal to y divided by x. So y is 1, x is 2. So k is equal to 1/2. If you notice, all this have the same value, which means k is the constant of proportionality. And we notice that 1/2 is constant. That means the speed of a subway car is 1/2 mile per minute.